Right, so I'll just show the ingredients of the smoky bacon and bean hot pot, starting with the butter bean. Not something everybody likes, but don't bad the bean. These are really delicious when they're in a casserole. And this is just a tin of a mixed bean salad. So there's lots of different things in there. You've got barlotti beans, haricot beans, kidney beans, chickpeas, and of course you've got some peppers and some green beans and some sweet corn in there. So that's lovely, isn't it? Very colourful. Super. Some lovely kidney beans, lovely colour. And some haricot beans in a tomatoey sauce, better known to everyone as baked beans. So give these a nice tumble together. This is all the beans. I haven't added the baked beans in yet. And we've got 300 grams of very intensely smoked bacon, but I think you could just, as long as it's smoked bacon, it'll be fine. Just so happens this one I found smells very smoky. Delicious, very smoky, in the smoky bacon and bean hot pot. And sticking with the Maggie's theme, this is, I love the Maggie's range, but this one's really nice. Saucy and smoky paprika. So that's partly where the smoky flavour comes from. Also, I put a bit of paprika in this dish as well. And as usual, a bit of Maggie's just to kind of, give it a bit of a beefy flavour, even though it's a vegetarian thing. 50 or 60 grams of a nice smoky barbecue sauce or ketchup. Again, that's like everything, in cooking, just do it to taste. Put some in, stir it around, taste it, let somebody else taste it, decide. There's about 50 or 60 grams here, and it's not a hugely expensive brand, but it's smoky and it's sweet. Fantastic. And we've got some sweet paprika. Obviously we all know about the smoked one. I've got some here, so just be careful with that. Again, do that to taste because it's really, really smoky. About 60 grams of salted butter, tomato puree, a couple of tablespoons, olive oil. My motto is, look at a recipe, great, but taste it all the way through. Keep tasting it. But I really don't think people should follow menus and recipes, to the tiniest degree. It's all personal taste, and it's all fun. 2 sticks of celery. About 300 grams of heavily smoked bacon, just chopped into strips. 2 celery sticks, chopped roughly. Tablespoon of olive oil. Just adding in the bacon there, kind of separating it a little bit with my fingers as we go. That's 300 grams of bacon, smoky. Give that a little toss about. Make sure the oil's everywhere. Throw in a little bit of butter. In go this celery. It's looking lovely. Juice, butter, smoky flavour. Nice little crunch on the celery. Beautiful. So in goes the paprika. Stir around. Picking up a nice bit of colour now. Give you a closer look at that. Nice. Goes the barbecue sauce. Close look at that. Right, I'm just going to transfer this now into the bigger pan. Okay. And here goes the Maggie's paprika seasoning. Transfer this now into a casserole dish. Put the lid on and just let that cook through. So that's sweet and smoky bacon and bean hot pot.